Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are both safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you a simple but elegant home decor DIY using Dollar Tree plastic spoons. Now let's get started. I'm starting off with 5 Dollar Tree foam boards, 19 packs of Dollar Tree mini silver plastic spoons, and a 12-inch round mirror. The first thing I did was draw and cut out large circles from my foam boards. To do this, I'm using a measuring tape to mark the width of the circle that I need, as well as placing a mark right in the center. I then tied a piece of string around my pen, and I used my measurements to draw the circle size that I needed. I repeated those steps to draw and cut out all 5 of my foam circles. Next, I broke off the handles from each of my plastic spoons. The Dollar Tree also sells plastic forks, but I think that the spoons are a lot easier to break this way. We'll save the other part of the spoon for a future project. I then used hot glue to adhere the handles around the perimeter of my largest circle. And once my handles were in place, I added additional hot glue on top. Once my spoon handles were securely in place, I then hot glued on my 4 remaining foam circles. Next, I added this really pretty metallic acrylic paint that I found at my local craft store in the color Shimmering Silver. Once my paint was completely dry, I added more of the spoon handles. For this row, I'm skipping a space and adding a handle in between the handles of my previous row. I continued that same pattern all the way up to the top of my design. As you can imagine, it does take some time to place down all of the spoon handles, but I must say that once I got my first 2 rows down, I was able to place the remaining spoons down much faster than you think. I then used generous amounts of hot glue to adhere my 12-inch mirror on top. To glam up my design and to cover up some of the remaining spaces, originally I decided to add some of these Dollar Tree gemstone stickers, but I later opted for the Dollar Tree diamond wrap instead. This diamond wrap is self-adhesive, but I did add a small amount of hot glue to hold the diamond wrap in place over time. To remove the glue strings, I'm using a dry paintbrush. I also used a warm hair dryer. This design is super lightweight, so to hang it, I'm using 2 large Velcro command strips. And here's how my large entryway mirror DIY project turned out. I absolutely love how this wall mirror turned out. I think it's beautiful, but what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're brand new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.